Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say a very big welcome to my old subscribers and my new subscribers. I just want to say welcome. So today I'm going to be doing something very funny, like somebody suggested it, and on my own I've been thinking about it. How possible will it be that I take about 30 minutes to 1 hour sometimes, like when I'm relaxed, to do my own makeup and I'm using 5 minutes to do a full face makeup? Obviously this challenge is very funny and I'm gonna try and do it. I know there's no way I would use eyelashes and things like that, so I left them aside. Like, I didn't even bother bringing them out, but every other thing that I will be using, I brought them out. So let's get to it and see if I will be able to. I'm nervous because I know I will not even get closer to it, but let's see how it goes anyways. You never can tell. So I'm going to set my clock in 5 minutes, which is exactly what you can see there. I'm trying to make it focus. Look at it, 5 minutes. So I'm going to start the timer. Okay, I'm going to start it where I need to make sure I have everything before I start. Right, I'm going to start it now. Okay. It starts. Right. So the first thing I need to do, oh Lord, okay, I need to hydrate my face. While I do that, I need to put a primer on my face, even if it's a little bit. Oh my God. So I have a mirror down here. I'm going to be looking down to the mirror, and I am going to be using anything should not fall. Don't even dare me. Don't fall down. Just don't fall down. Okay. I have a mirror down here, so I'm going to be looking down just to okay, we're not going to make you to be perfect, you know. So just, yeah. Can I actually do a makeup for 5 minutes? Oh my Lord. Ooh, my eyebrows are not looking bad. Chichi, man, you have 5 minutes. You don't have to be oh my God, I have 3 minutes left. That's not true. How did it happen? That's not true, man. How, eh? Oh Lord. How did it happen? Concealer. No, it's not true. The time is cheating on me. Oh no, please don't do this to me, you know. No, man, I have 3 minutes. Like, you know, normally this time doesn't go this fast on a normal day. Just why is it flying now? I have 2 minutes. Oh no. 2 minutes. What am I gonna do? Oh, I'm never gonna get close. Oh. No way. Seriously, who invented this 5 minutes whatever? Who did it? It's not for everybody. Oh no, I have 2 minutes. It's not for everybody. No way. Okay, wait, I think I might do it. I'll do it. I just need to concentrate. I have 2 minutes, or less than 2 minutes. Yeah, I just need to concentrate. I'll do it. Just let everything blend. I know I'll do it. Right. So next, Chichi. You need to chill. What am I supposed to do next? I have less than 1 minute. At least this one will kind of bring your face out a little bit. Oh no, oh, a few more. Just I have 1 minute and something seconds here. I'm gonna be using, oh no, mascara. No way. No. No way, don't finish. Wait. No, how do you open this again? No, you can't do this, you know. I hate this. I hate it. How did I do? Oh my goodness, no way. I hate this. How am I supposed to do this now? What am I supposed to do next? I have 15 seconds. Am I okay though? No way. I don't know what to do next. I'm sorry. It's gone. This is so... Oh my goodness. Wait, this thing is not good. It's not good for me. This can literally give you high BP. Wait, I did not do bad, you know. I didn't do bad though. Let me come closer. Wait, I think it doesn't look bad. No way. Yeah, my eyebrow doesn't look really bad actually. Yes, I did it. It doesn't look that bad. I think what I should have done was use an eyeliner. It would have just like kind of bring the thing up a little bit, not to look so what is the word, like it looks as if he's just there. Well, I tried my best. Okay guys, I just want to say a very big thank you for seeing me nervous. Like, I hate this. It's just not good at all. But anyways, I did it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next other video, guys. Bye. Okay, I think I'm gonna nominate some people at the description box to do this. I don't want this to exceed 10 minutes, but I'm going to nominate some people at the description box to do this. So make sure you watch this video and check down below who I nominated so that you'll be able to do this. You're doing this video next. So see you soon.